Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to decorate Easter cookies using the Isomalt technique and some sprinkles. We're gonna start with the easiest part of this tutorial, which is decorating the letters, and for that we're gonna need flat consistency royal icing. You can use any color you want. I'm using white because after I finish outlining and filling these cookies, I'm gonna pour some sprinkles while the icing is still wet. Once you have finished with the letters, we're gonna let them dry for about 4 to 6 hours. Remember, you can always use your scribe tool to shape the icing on the cookies. Now let's move on to decorating the Isomalt cookies. For this portion of the tutorial, we're going to use the Isomalt technique, which is this clear liquid I'm pouring into the cookie. If you don't know how to use it or how to prepare it, I'm linking the video up here so you can go and learn how to do it and many other different ways on how to use it. I frequently get questions about the bubbles that form in the Isomalt while you're pouring it, and this is something that you really don't have to worry about because as the Isomalt cools down, the bubbles will eventually disappear. But if it's something that worries you, you can always use the scribe tool to drag them to the edge as I'm showing you. Once the Isomalt has completely dried, which takes about 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes not even, it always depends on the temperature and the humidity area where you're working. This is how your cookie has to look like. If it hasn't completely dried or the next day you find some crystallization, then it means that something must have gone wrong during the process, and my only recommendation at this point is to go back and watch the step-by-step video, be patient, and try again. This technique can be a little bit tricky and sometimes difficult. We will start decorating the candy box, and we're going to place the base and the other two cookies that will work as layers on a cooling rack, and we are going to pour some flat consistency royal icing on them. That way they will be completely covered. Once this is done, allow them to dry overnight. And for the Isomalt cookie, that will be the cookie on the top. Start on the edge and then work your way around the Isomalt. As I previously mentioned, this cookie will be the top layer on the candy box, and to flat this cookie you want to start on the edge and then work your way around it. Let it dry also overnight. Once the yellow icing has completely dried, we're gonna continue decorating the bunny, and we're gonna start with the head. And for this decoration, you wanna kind of section the decoration so it has like a dimension when you look onto the cookie. And you're gonna use white flat consistency royal icing and a number 2 tip. Allow each section to dry for at least 2 hours. To learn how to make these royalizing roses, I'm linking the video up here so you can go and visit it and learn how to make them. Once these cookies have completely dry overnight, we're gonna remove them from the cooling rack and then we're gonna stack them one on top of the other. Okay, so here are the cookies and this one is gonna be the base and the next two are gonna be one on top of the other. You can adhere them by using your royalizing. It doesn't have to be a specific consistency. And this last one with the Isomalt is gonna be the cover. If you want to learn how to pipe your own cherry blossom flowers, I'm linking the video up here. Just go and check it out. Last but not least, you can add some sprinkles of your choice to the candy box. Remember, you can always find all the materials and the supply on my webpage. That's it, your cookies are ready. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media where you will find more decorating inspiration. Happy Easter and see you next time.